Hello.
Hello, good morning. How is it going?
Not bad. What about you? Hack.
Pretty good. Where are you going?
I am going to meet my doctor.
Why? Are you feeling a fever?
Hack. Yes, I've been feeling fever since yesterday morning.
Oh. Then you must go to see your doctor.
So what about your father? He has been suffering fever for a long time, hasn't he?
He is getting well now.
I am pleased to hear that. I saw your brother at the bank yesterday when I was going to see my father.
He went to the bank yesterday for withdraw some money. By the way, where is your father?
My father lives with my brother.
What does your brother do?
He is a teacher.
Is he married?
Yes, he is.
What does his wife do?
He is also a teacher. Okay then, shall I go now, otherwise I may be late.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Okay, bye. Have a nice day.